Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we have to make the update on the Bitcoin as well, because the price action is not very simple right now on intraday charts. Actually, if you remember, yesterday we talked about the possible upward continuation in the shape of some kind of the A, B, C, bottom, D pattern, some retracement up that could maybe form the cardinal triple to sell pattern or something of that sort. But based on some fundamental reasons, yesterday Bitcoin has dropped a bit lower than we have suggested. Particularly speaking, as you know, yesterday Donald Trump and Congress come to the agreement concerning the adoption of the new sale of the United States national debt. And as markets suggest, this new sale should be enough, should be sufficient for approximately 2 years of the national debt increase, and no problems with the government halted by the end of the year. So that has brought some relief on the markets and triggered a strength in the United States dollar. As a result, this also is making an impact on the Bitcoin as well, because it's traded to the United States dollar, and that has led to some more significant drop on the intraday charts. What we have right now, so although market still stands well, in an acceptable area where upside reversal could happen, there are some other things that personally I do not like. So first of all, on the 4-hour time frame chart, that is our reverse hand and shoulders pattern. Yes, market has broken on that news, this border. As you can see, that was the harmonic level that we agreed to take a look at. And actually market has tested it, starting upward action, but then news has been released and market collapsed. It has broken through the support area. As we said, that could be the signal that maybe this head and shoulders is failing, and we need to take the bearish position with the anticipation of taking out of these lows. But taking into consideration the things that we just have discussed concerning the fundamental background, we still need to keep an eye on what will happen. On a technical point of view, yes, there is definitely bearish action. Besides, take a look here, market has formed a reversal candle. So this is when the market creates the new top and close below the lows of the previous candle. This calls as a reversal one, and usually it has the downward continuation. On the hourly chart, we do not have something really special, but take a look. The pullback here, and the last one from the 618 support was equal to the harmonic pullback. So this has not become the major reversal. Besides, here we see 1, 2, 3 candles to the downside for the tail closing and increasing of the length of the candle. So it's so-called 3 black crows candlestick pattern, which usually leads to the downward continuation. What I would like to say is that despite that market stands relatively close to the bottom of the right arm and to the left arm and keeping the harmony of the pattern, taking into consideration that this drop was not by some market reasons, but mostly on the external driving factor comes from the fundamental event, speaking on the United States national debt sale. Still, the technical factors tells us that more risk stands around this situation. In the current circumstances, I would suggest that it's better to not take a long position by far. If you have long position, you could keep it while your stop will be valid, and take a look what will happen. So if market will suddenly reestablish upward action, that will be good. But you could try to close your position as soon as market will show some minor pullback here, back to your entry point, because overall situation stands not really very friendly to a bullish position, and chances in the current circumstances on the downward continuation have increased based on the event that we see right now. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market. We do not cancel the idea that maybe indeed market could reverse and start finally this upward direction. But overall technical picture right now stands not as good as it was yesterday, especially when you could see that market already has shown the pullback up from here, but then continue downward action. This combination is not really very friendly to the bullish position. So that's our view on the Bitcoin market.